So I am starting basically a series of videos that I'm calling Face Off, and what I'm going to be doing is just comparing different ionizers against each other, and then continuing to compare one against the other until we can't see a clear winner, I suppose. And this would be for pH or ORP per unit of pH, or just in general, clear winner. There's going to be a lot of real similar results here, I'm sure, especially between these two. The enagic is on the right. This is the enagic level look, SD501, versus the Tyent Turbo. Now, both of these ionizers boast of having the highest surface area for ionization of the electrodes, the highest electrode surface area. And they both have similar other features. I think it's really interesting that when they're doing their cleaning cycle, the enagic says it cleans it, and then the Tyent says it's under washing. So anyway, and that's even similar. But they have similar plate cleaning, similar results, everything. I've tested them before several times, so I'm anticipating that this time it will also be similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with level 1, and then I'm going to try to regulate this flow rate, and then once I get the flow rate regulated, then we can go ahead and get started testing, put on the glasses and testing. Alright, well, try to eyeball it first and save myself some time. So they're both pouring right now, and I'm just going to pour the water at the same time, and so it gets so high, and then pull it out at the same time and just see. And that looks perfect, really. Yeah, it looks, the Tyent might be a little faster flow, but not much. Let me just try to fix the flow just a teeny tiny bit. Oh, brother. I hope I didn't mess it up, because this is often a real pain in the neck to do. Alright, let's take a look and see if that flow rate. Well, that looks good to me. Perfect, really. Okay, so on the left is the Tyent, on the right is the enagic. Now I'm going to go up to level 2 now. Now on Tyent it's called level 2, and on the level look or enagic it's called Kangen water 9.0. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that now. Okay, Tyent, and let's double check and make sure that they look the same. And on the left is Tyent, on the right is enagic. Alright, go up 1. And they both have kind of a similar feature when they go into that highest strong mode, because the Tyent will start beeping, and so will the enagic start beeping. Alright, so they're both at that. The Tyent's at level 3 now, Kangen's at 9.5, so that we'll pour it. And it looks equal. Tyent on the left, enagic on the right. Alright, so now we have the fun. We get to listen to all the beeping. Alright, I'm going to push the strong acid here. And then, now what will happen is the strong alkaline will come out the top and the strong acidic will come out the bottom when you push that. And I'm going to push and hold this button here, and that puts it into the turbo mode. Let it flow for just a second or two, and then I'm gonna fill. Okay, Tyent on the left, Enagic on the right. Now I'm going to get the acid water. Just going to get it from the Tyent first. I think the Tyent noise is a little bit more annoying to me than the Enagic noise. Okay, turn that off. Alright, and now I'm going to get the acidic water from the Kangen strong acidic. Okay, and then turn that one off.
Power off.
Alright, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and test these. I'm going to put the probes over in the Tyent first, I suppose. And I had the probe sitting in acidic water, so it might take a little stirring and whatnot. Actually, I'll probably just kind of go back and forth just to unlock the electrodes from their acidic setting. Okay, well, this just not too good. It's like a positive ORP, like a 143 is positive and 8.8 is your pH. Looks like 150 actually, approximately positive. That's the Tyent. Let's try the Enagic. See if there's any better reading for that. Yeah, it's amazing to me that from testing to testing these guys vary so much. And it's not too good either for the Enagic, just very light ionization. I'd say this is probably a little bit better than the Tyent, but not much. And, you know, we'll just look at the level 2, because level 1 is just light ionization. It's kind of like using a portable water ionizer. And not much. There's a 10.1 and a negative 70. Okay, let's go to the Tyent level 2 and see what we've got. And now we're talking. So that's got some power to it. And looks like we're just going to have to let that settle down just a little bit. And interestingly enough, my St. Louis water is a pretty high pH to begin with, which is partially what you're seeing results that are a little out of the ordinary, because in St. Louis